Welcome to this week's video. I'm Shannon Larsen with eXp Realty in the greater Las Vegas area. This week we're going to be doing a home tour. I'm out here at the master plan community, Southern Highlands. I'm at a highly sought after single story home. The square footage is 2,185 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a 3-car garage. Plenty of upgrades throughout. But before we do anything, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're always in the loop of the latest information and home tours that I do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this beautiful home tour. beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed that tour. If this is something that you are looking for specifically, contact me right away, as there's very limited inventory here in the greater Las Vegas area. Even if it's not something you're interested in, or you're interested in a different style of home or home builder, make sure to go ahead and contact me right away. I want to be your #1 resource here in the Las Vegas area. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.